So hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here with another haul. So this I am recording this video at night for this is past my bedtime, and I am recording this at this very time because I am really excited for it. So my birthday month is starting and I have purchased a lot of birthday gifts for me. So let's get into the video and I'll show you what all I have got, and also I will put a link for I will put chapters for each store so you can directly go to the store you want to see. So first one on the list is Cult Beauty. If you haven't seen my video on Cult Beauty, how to order from Cult Beauty, please click on this link above and see it. So the first thing I got from Cult Beauty is Jaclyn Hill palette. So I really wanted to get this one for a really long time. I watched multiple YouTube videos and I loved the colors, and so I decided that I should get it myself, and it is beautiful. I have created this lip look today using this, so it's lovely. The colors and everything, there are already a lot of video with this swatches and Jaclyn Hill already has done it, so I'm not going to do that, but this is something that I was really excited about, so I got this as my birthday gift. And the second one is this salicylic acid cleanser from Inky List. So this one was about 32.50 euros, and this one was 9.16, and together they were for 40 something euros, and I had this coupon code, so I got both of them for 35.41 euros. So that's a pretty legit deal. I wanted the salicylic acid cleanser because since we are not going out and I am not getting any exfoliation, so I thought why not get this, and both of them together were less, and since the price was $40, 40 euros up, I was not charged customs, and no, I'm sorry, the shipping was free, and also I was not charged customs on this order because together they were so light package, weighed nothing. So the second store I purchased from was Minimalist. So I have ordered directly from their website. Obviously it is available on Nykaa, you can place order on Nykaa and get it, but I tried to order from the website. So I got this niacinamide 10% and zinc serum. I've already used this one and I liked it, so I restocked it, and you never know when my ordinary one will be finished, and I don't want to be without niacinamide. And whoever wants to know what niacinamide does, I will post a video in future, so please subscribe to our channel if you haven't and watch that video. So we will talk about niacinamide in details, but for now it repairs our skin barrier. So if you break your pimples and you use harsh face washes and everything, so you do need niacinamide in your routine, both AM and PM. And the second thing I ordered is retinoid 2%, so for 5.95, and the retinoid was for 6.25. So what does the retinoid do is it helps you with aging, so all the aging signs, fine lines, smile lines, everything. So I have also included this in my routine now. So you have since I'm starting it out, I have not used retinol before, so I use it twice a week now. Once I get used to the product, I will try using it more, but for now that is enough. So this is my minimalist shopping: retinoid 6.95, niacinamide 5.95. So the last haul has happened from my favorite store, no points for guessing, Nykaa. So I have again purchased a lot of things from Nykaa. A few products I wanted to try, and few I replenished my stock. They were over. So let's see what I got. So the first one I got is this Maybelline Superstay lipstick in the shade Lead the Way. This is for $5.99 and I got it for $4.49, and this is the dupe of, guess, this is the dupe of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So I saw Shreya Jain's video and she was telling, I love Pillow Talk and I've been obsessing over Pillow Talk and I really want to buy the bigger one. So I will obviously invest in that, but for now I have got this one. So I have not tried them together and really seen that if it is actually exactly like Pillow Talk, but even if it's close, it's good for me. So this is it. If you don't want to buy Pillow Talk and invest that much in a lipstick, you can buy this. The second one is this. I got this lip liner set from Swiss Beauty. So this is for $4.49 and the exact price was $4.99. I got it for $4.49. So it has multiple shades like this. If I can swatch this for you, see, it's pretty good looking and you get a lot of options for that price. So I would say a good deal. I have not tried them, so I would not recommend you buying them just yet. I want to review them for you. So the third product which I got was this liquid highlighter from Swiss Beauty. So this is a dupe of Nykaa. No, not Nykaa, I'm sorry. This is the dupe of Huda's liquid illuminator. So I have used it in my base today and I think the results are pretty good, decent, and this is for $3.49. I got it for 297 rupees and it is not at all bad. I got it in the shade Copper. So the fourth product in the list is this. I have tried a lot of Swiss Beauty stuff this time. So the liquid concealer, I got it in the shade Medium and I've used it today and its coverage is pretty decent, and I got it for, again, this was for 206 rupees and the original price is 229. The fifth product that I got is this, a concealer brush from Nykaa. So you see I have already used this one and this is for 399 rupees and the results are good. I mean, the blending and everything is very nice, and the blending is pretty easy with this brush. Now the sixth thing which I have got is this Pilgrim toner. So this is not a new thing. I have already used this bottle before. I was just finished and I was not using toner for a while, but then I've again included it since it's summer and it feels very calming on your skin. Only that's the reason. So this toner, this I got for 270 rupees. The original price is 300 bucks. Number seventh product on this list, and again Pilgrim under eye cream, this retinol under eye cream. So it comes with the spatula, but the sad part is that this spatula doesn't fit here. So it was supposed to be this side, this size, but it's not. But the cream, I use this one, this cream not daily, twice a week. So this was for 450, I got it for 405. The eighth product which I got is this No Sebum mineral powder. So this looks white, so I was hoping that my face will turn all white when I will use it, but it doesn't. And it comes with this little powder puff. It's pretty. Let's see. No, not turning white. I don't know if it feels white to you, but it's not turning white. So it's good. You can do your makeup and then take this. Whenever your skin feels oily, you can dab this on your face. So it's a good deal. This one has no discount, so this one was for 510. The ninth one is these lashes that I got from Nykaa. So the one is Turn Up the Drama, which is this one, and the other one is this Give Me Length. So I was meaning to try these lashes for a while. So it also comes with a glue. So I'll show you how the packaging looks. So it comes with a little glue, and it's pretty decent for a day look or something. I'm yet to try. I have not tried these. Let's try and see how these looks. I will create a look using these. So the Turn Up the Drama one was, the original price is 199. I got it for 179, and this one, the simple one, is also Give Me Length, is also 199. I got it for 159. This is my 10th product, this liquid Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. The shade is 06. It looks like this, if you can see. I don't like wasting products on swatches. See, so if I apply it on my lash, it will look really nice. If I do a nice smoky eye and then apply this, it will look great. So this was for 199 and I got it for 179 rupees. So again, the 11th product is this. I have already done a review of Frequel, and I have talked about how sunscreens are really important. If you haven't watched that video, please consider watching that. So this is 50 SPF. This is for 460. Previous one was over, so stocking up. It was about to get over, so I got it a little quicker, but it's fine. All cannot have enough sunscreen. Next product in this is Dermafique Aqua Cloud Hydrating Cream. So this is also getting over. This is my second bottle, and this again is a dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge, and this is just for 854 rupees. The original price was 899, and everybody knows that Moisture Surge, about this bottle comes around 890, and this is pretty big and it feels exactly like Moisture Surge. So yes, this is my second bottle of that. So the 13th product that I got is this Lime Crime liquid lipstick, which I'm currently wearing in the shade Saint. So this was for 950 rupees. The original price is 1900, and I was not able to get any other shade for 950, and I really liked this one, so I got it, and it looks nice. So yes, this is pretty good. Plus, See, it comes off, but not that much. It's fine, not coming off too much. So good lipstick. Another product that I got is these from Sugar. So Sugar blush and their mini bronzer. So this is their blush in peach pink. So this is how it looks. I am currently wearing this one only. So this is how it looks. And another one is there. So the blush was for 349 rupees, and the mini bronzer is the shade 01. This is for 399 rupees. And I got their pore primer, which I have used today, and I don't think that it is as good as the Colorbar one or Benefit. It's just mediocre. I didn't really saw any coverage of the pores, and if it is claiming to be a pore minimizing primer, it's not. So this is for 799 rupees. Then another product which I got is this Miss Claire eyelash glue. So my previous one was really sticky and it's done for. So I got this in black color, so the dark tone. So this is for 333 and the original price is 350, and I've used it and it's pretty decent for this price, and it's better than the one I was using before. So yes, a big thumbs up for that. Another product which I got is this cleansing balm. So I really wanted to try Clinique balm, but I felt it was too much price point. So for pricing, I have ordered this Plum cleansing balm. So I'll try this today and see how helpful it is in removing all this makeup. So this is for 436 rupees. The original price is 545. So this is it. This is all what I got for my birthday, all the makeup, skincare and everything, which I also have a ASOS haul and how to shop from ASOS video coming up soon. So do subscribe to our channel. Tell me if you liked any product. Tell me if you want me to go in detail of something. So that's it, that's the video, and this look is created using the Jaclyn Hill palette today, and I am loving it. It's beautiful. I love the yellows, the oranges, everything is going together. Also, one more tip: if you have a pimple prone skin like I do, I have used that Dr. Belmore's pimple patch, and then I have put on my makeup because I didn't want the foundation and everything to touch the pimple. So you can do the same. It's pretty easy. So that's it from my side. Do let me know if you liked my video, and keep liking us, keep supporting us. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for commenting and saying nice things about us in the video. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and press the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we post any videos. Bye bye.